How to fix photo moderation failing after upload on Hinge. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can fix photo moderation failing after uploading the photo on the Hinge app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If Hinge photo moderation is failing after upload, the most common reasons are issues with the photo itself or with the user's profile. So you have to ensure that your photos meets Hinge's guidelines, which includes a very clear, original images of your face without filters or other people and with a plain background. Also, make sure your profile is fully filled out with at least 6 photos and completed prompts. So you can always open up Hinge, try to go to your profile page and check if you have added enough photos for Hinge to verify that you are the owner of the account, and make sure to write all of these prompts, because if these prompts are not written, Hinge will not complete your account, by the way. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.